Hello. So today I'm here at the Weezy Empire. Quite rough.
Sean Pepe, Lewin. On Pepe, Lewin. Sean Pepe, Lewin. On Pepe, Lex one, I better be.
The family color Kumasi, Weezy Empire, and come my year, and meeting now. Only my chief, Domaguna, and Weezy Empire, country called Ghana. Singing on a sword, singing a young a big sitter, and I don't cancel for Nigeria for Zimo. I do almost say, any woman and your human, and from
Leeward, Sean Pepe me, Sean Pepe me.
Story, a nice story. Person, I come with some. What for say, yeah, ever. The dominant pimping in our ever title here. Country called Ghana and Nigeria. And the Akambuma, we just has in your soon.
Get a do there. Be get a bond there. Be get a cool there. Be get a go there. Be get a do there. They can touch you or something. Come to my party. Take that feelings. Show me something.
Make a lot of massive. You're a year perform you. You'll implement what's in the
Okay, I'm in the person of Afia Kobi, but people usually call me Ohima. I'm the continuity of Weezy Empire and also an actress. What I'll tell you guys is to expect nothing but the best, because Weezy Empire always produce the best. We have the best producer, which is Kwadwo Nkansah, and one of the best Ghana's great and favorite actor. So please, hold on and keep your fingers crossed for nothing but the best. We have the best coming on your way. You can expect anything at any time. Stay tuned. Thank you.
Sean Pepe me, Sean Pepe me, on Pepe yam, Ash, on Pepe yam, Ash, Sean Pepe me, Sean Pepe me, on Pepe yam, Ash.